everyone. Thanks for taking a few moments from your busy day and coming over here and spending it with me. I truly appreciate it. And today I have a little mini haul from Moda brushes. Moda brushes are made by Royal and Langnickel, and I know of them only because I am an acrylic artist and have purchased many brushes from them. And couldn't resist when I saw this. Literally just opened the box. Oh, here's the packing slip. And, oh, that's a little thank you. I'm just going to put this stuff up. I have some, I'm going to share some here as part of a giveaway. And then the rest, you know, I bought for myself. Trying to get rid of a ton of boxes here that I have. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the first item, which is right here. Sorry for this crinkling, but this is way out. I'm not going to use this for its intended purpose. I cannot get it out. I knew that sounds horrible for you guys. But this is a really cute, let me just open it up. I saw this online. It's almost like a train case type of bag. I can see through it, but it's colored and all different colors. It has a little mesh bag here, a little mesh section, and zips closed. And I figured I have it, my active skincare that I use every single night, every single morning in a basket. But, you know, sometimes I pull it out and everything falls because I have a lot in there. So I figured what I would do is put all my active skincare in this. This way, when I want to pull everything out, it will stand up better. So I figured when I saw that as part of my order, I thought, wonderful, exactly what I wanted. So what I have here, and these are identical, I do believe. Just want to make sure. I purchased 2 of these right here. And these are, I'll hold one up as I look at the other one because I'm not sure. This is the Pro Makeup Brushes by Moda, the 5-piece bold eye kit. And you have eye shader, super crease, a brow, and then what's the other one? Oh, a pointed liner. And it does come with a little makeup, a little bag that you can store your brushes in, and then it tells you on the back what they are. I don't know if you guys can see the bag inside there. So I did purchase these to include in a future giveaway. I have those. And this was what got me to, along with the bag, we get this. So these are the electric, totally electric brushes, and these are going to go for me. I love a unique brush. There's like fuzz all over the place. So I will be keeping these brushes. I thought they were really, really cute. So here is a little descriptive of the back. So it's 2, 4, 5, 6. Plus there's a bag in these. 6 here, and then there's 4 brushes here, plus a little bag. So the zipper pouches I'll probably give away. But I was so excited. I received one of their brushes. Let me just see if I can find it. It should stick out like a sore thumb, but I don't know if it will now. Oh, here it is. I received this one in a, I think this was in an Ipsy, and this is from Moda. So this, I had right here, this brush, that's what intrigued me to get this. And this brush is the same exact brush here that's in here. So now I have 2 of these, so that's, you know, that's fine. But I was so excited to order them. So these both, this whole set came with the bag. So that was one price. Let me put this back here. I don't know where this was, right there. And then these I purchased for giveaways. So I just wanted to just quick do a mini haul and show you what I purchased, because some of it is going to be for future giveaways. Always when I'm out there seeing stuff, thinking of you guys first, and then when I saw that, and I figured that would be perfect for all my skincare, and I love a unique brush, especially those neon colors. I just think that they are awesome. I just can't get over the coloring. Moda has, Royal Langnickel makes some great brushes, but and Moda is part of Royal and Langnickel, so Royal brush, yeah, and they're from Indiana, I do believe. Is it from Indiana? Yeah, I remember that from when I used to order brushes all the time. There's a company where I used to get all my acrylic brushes from. They're called the Brush Guys. And phenomenal prices for brushes. And they do sell makeup brushes. Now, I have not bought makeup brushes from them, but I would say 80% of my acrylic brushes, and I have thousands and thousands of dollars tied up in the acrylic brushes because they're expensive. But they will last you a lifetime if you take care of them. And so will your makeup brushes. Keep them clean. I use my brushes. I don't use every single one of them behind me, but I use a lot of them. I clean them almost immediately. By the end of the day, they're clean and drying. If not, your makeup is just building up in them, building up, and then you're reusing that, and there's bacteria now in those brushes, and you're just reapplying it to your face. People wonder why they break out. They're having issues with their skin. Regardless of what their skincare routine is, you're introducing bacteria right back onto your skin. I don't ever use a dirty brush. I have multiples of many different brushes, so if I don't feel like washing them, I do have 20 other shader brushes that I can use to apply my eyeshadow, or foundation brush, or whatever. Same thing with my sponges. I have 4 or 5 of them. I like to keep them clean. This way they look nice. Especially if the bristles are white. They're, even when I paint, once you stain them with like a blue or a red, you could never get that color out, which I am fine with, especially on an acrylic paintbrush. I'm not using blues and reds for makeup, but makeup does stain them, and that's okay. But if you clean them quick enough, you can pretty much get all of that out. I have one foundation brush, I think it's from It Cosmetics, that I didn't clean. I waited till the next day, and in the core of the brush, you can still see I could not get it all out. And I'm okay with that, but the majority of it's clean. So I do stay on top of that. Spread out my drying mat and clean them, and just let them sit overnight, laying flat. And then the next day I can just put them all away, fold up the mat, and I'm done. It literally takes 5 or 10 minutes. But when you have 30 or 40 brushes to clean, yeah, that's a lot of work. I wouldn't want to do that either. But if I have 5, 6 brushes, 7 brushes, whatever you use to do your makeup, it takes 5 minutes. If you just get in the habit of doing it, like brushing your teeth before you go to bed, make sure your brushes are clean, your sponge is clean. It'll be fine and ready to use the next day. I think more people would have less skin trouble. I really believe that, you know, as you get older, oh, my boxes are going to fall because my dog wants to, of course, lay right where I had them. I just saw them coming and crashing into my camera. Some skincare issues could be from dirty brushes. I mean, I don't want to be the one to say it to anyone, but keep your brushes clean. You know, we're all so careful of cleaning our face and washing our hands and keeping germs off while our hands are dirty. If you're doing anything on your face with your hands, and brushes are dirty, there's bacteria. So it's just my opinion. I find that I just find it easier just to take good care of them. They'll last you forever. So thank you so much. I hate that rant. I hate when I do that, but I get off on a tangent sometimes, and I'm so passionate about keeping my brushes clean that I want to pass that on to all of you. I think that's just a great habit to get into. So thank you so much for watching this haul, and some of these items will be in future giveaways. So keep an eye out. You never know. And I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.